Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of home main gate designs. The main gate is more than just an entry point. It is the first impression of your home. A well-designed gate not only enhances the curb appeal of your property, but also adds security and privacy. Whether you are looking for modern, traditional, or unique gate ideas, we have something for everyone. The main gate is a crucial element in defining the aesthetic and security of your home. It serves as a barrier between outside world and your private space. A thoughtfully designed gate can significantly impact the overall look of your property. The design of your gate should complement the architectural style of your home. A beautifully designed gate enhances the visual appeal and makes a statement about your taste and personality. Modern gates are all about clean lines, minimalist styles, and innovative materials. Materials like steel, glass, and wood composites are popular choices for modern gate designs. These gates often feature sleek, horizontal, or vertical panels with a focus on functionality and simplicity. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share and like this channel. Up till next time, happy decorating.